In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Owner App. To get started, head over to wix.com. This is where you'll access your site management tools and the main dashboard connected to your Wix account. Once the website loads, go ahead and log in using your existing Wix credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website or business profile through Wix. After logging in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard. This is the main control center where you can manage different parts of your website and business tools. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because most of the features you'll use regularly can be accessed from here. The dashboard is designed to keep everything organized in one place, which makes ongoing site management much easier. Now direct your attention to the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This side menu is where you'll find the different categories for managing your site, including marketing, content, customer engagement, and more. Knowing how to use this navigation panel is important because it helps you move quickly between the tools Wix provides. From that left side menu, click on Marketing. This section is especially useful if you want to grow your site's visibility and reach more people online. Inside the marketing area, you'll find a variety of promotional and optimization tools that can help support your business goals. One of the key things you can do here is set up SEO. This helps improve how your website appears in search engine results, which can make it easier for potential visitors to find you. You may also see options related to geo, depending on the tools available in your account. These features can help you fine-tune how your business is positioned online and how it connects with local or targeted audiences. You can also access Google Ads tools from this area. If you're planning to run paid advertising campaigns, this section can help you get started and manage those efforts directly through Wix. It's a convenient option if you want to promote your business without having to jump between too many platforms. In addition, you may find options for connecting or managing your Google business profile and other related marketing channels. This is helpful for improving your visibility across Google services and keeping your business information more consistent online. Finally, you can also manage your blog from within these tools. If your website includes blog content, this gives you a straightforward way to stay on top of updates and content management as part of your overall marketing workflow. That's a simple overview of how to start using the Wix Owner app and dashboard tools to manage your marketing features more effectively.